Now I customize this shape a little bit more. But before this, I just simply go to Window and select Pathfinder. And click on this little icon Unit. Alright. Now I select Pen tool and draw a random curved line. And then I navigate to the selection tool. And simply place it right here. And now I just right click on this, go to Arrange and select Send to Back. Now I resize it a little bit more and place it right here. Now I select this thunderable shape and change this color from black to sky. And select stroke and set stroke color in black. And set stroke size in 20 pixels. Now I select everything and holding shift and dragging on this corner, I just simply make this bigger and set it in middle. Oh, I just forgot to add stroke on this shape. For adding stroke on this shape, simply select U shape and select stroke and set color. This time I choose black and stroke size in the same way like this thunderable shape. I choose stroke size in 20 pixels. Alright. Now to export this design with transparent background, simply go to File, Export and select Export As or Save for Web. Now to see everything on this preview screen, click on this drop down menu and click on Fit on Screen. And here it is, our design with transparent background. For this transparent background, make sure that you check this transparency option. And from this drop down menu, select PNG24 and set optimize file format PNG24. And under image size, here you see we can put our preferred width and height. This time I choose 4500 pixels and set height 5400 pixels. And finally, to save this design with transparent background, I just simply click on save, and this time I choose destination folder desktop and hit on save. So our processing is now complete, and here it is, our design with transparent background. Super cool, right? So in this way, you can easily create different type of amazing t-shirt design using only font and shapes. Thank you so much for watching.